Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasata maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe Biafra Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasata maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
Have our freedom from the terrorist Nigerian government. So I said special thank you to our lioness, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. Keep on roaring. You are really turning the heat on. Okudiover. I need something to really calm myself, girl. No, anyway, thank you. This past week, what happened to the land of the rising sun, our nation, the United States of Biafra, was too much for us. The blood of our people spread all over by the terrorists Fulani reintegrated into the Nigerian terrorist government army. And mind you, physically, mathematically, terrorist plus terrorist is equal terrorism to the second power.
Yep.
Isn't that correct?
Yep. Absolutely.
100%.
We shed so much tears this past few days as we watched these animals, the terrorist Nigerian government and their allies, including the terrorist Fulani, and then some of those alligators and whatever you call them, that the Fulani must have, done something to maybe some of our women during the whatever, that there's some of those children there are really causing so much havoc to us. Those are deplorable specimens of human beings that are both knowingly and unknowingly assisting the Nigerian terrorist government. Because what happened this week couldn't have happened if some hands were not in there.
Exactly.
What else can you kill a human being? They use their guns after killing, then they use their modus operandi, which is macheting, to be slicing human beings, to be slicing our own blood, our brothers, our sisters, our fathers, our children, slicing them inhumanly. And the world watch. And they want us to keep quiet. How can we keep quiet? Isn't it our inalienable right to defend ourselves?
It is.
That's what the world said. That's what Amnesty said. And God even said that nobody should take lives. So everybody is just sitting, even our own people also going from left to right, up and down, pointing us out for the terrorist Nigerian people or their government and their Fulanis to just slice us. Did anyone see that horrible, terrible, oh my goodness. I think we should really display that. The world must see it because this is too much. And what happened this week has increased our resolve to defend ourselves. More so than ever, we must defend ourselves. And that is what we're here to do today. As our hearts bleed, we must dip our hands into our pockets to pull out everything that we have there to defend ourselves. That's the only thing left for us. And we must do that today and onwards until we all get back home, until victory is ours. So today, we're going to do what we know how to do, what they have really left us with no other choice than to do what you and me are doing today. I say thank you to all of you for what you have done. Please, as we commence this fundraising, I'm pleading with all of you, everyone in here, to please minimize the length of time that we talk. We can do much. There's nothing that needs to be said that hasn't been said or that we haven't heard. Please, when the mic gets to you, just tell us your name and then what you're donating, and then make it, as quickly as possible in a minute, at most 2 minutes. Please, today, we will not allow people to overtake this fundraising by much talk. Please remind yourself that all we have here is 1 minute or 2 minutes. Like our Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Abeze said, we now be doing 4 fundraisings or possibly even more, as the time, permits us. So we'll be doing, she's already stated it. And then I'm going to inform you all later, what we resolved, where you're going to, to make the
Famdi, go ahead and unmute yourself, please. I have to mute everyone. There was a noise. But unmute yourself. Yeah, sorry. There was just a background noise. Yeah, but we heard you. Yeah, go ahead.
You heard everything I said?
Yeah, we heard it, yes.
Okay. So we will have a meeting and then to inform the state secretaries and then the financial secretaries on, our resolve and how the process of really, spending the money. All right. So that's not what we're going to do here, but we are going to commence our fundraising from this moment. And then the media, over to you, or would you want me to go through the people raising their hands, or would you like to assist us? The media?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you very much.
Honorable Famdi, let me quickly tell Biafrans one more thing before we kick off the fundraising.
Okay.
Some of you may have been aware of the criminals that are parading themselves as members or representing the United States of Biafra. One thing I want to tell us is this. It is one thing not to know. It is one thing to be ignorant, to say, oh, I didn't know this was happening. I'm not sure. I was confused. I've not made up my mind. It is one thing to say you don't know. You've heard. You don't know. It is a different thing that you know, and then you continue to sabotage this government led by His Excellency Prime Minister Simon Ekpa and our leader Nnamdi Kanu. These are two different things that you don't know. Maybe let's pretend you're an 8-year-old child. You don't know. And that you know you are a full-blown adult. You are fully aware. But you decided, you made up your mind to go with these criminals that parade themselves as briggy individuals. You made up your mind, fully being aware that they do not have the power and the right to be doing what they are doing.
Madam, shut up. You hate Mazen and the Kano.
But because you want to follow with them, you want to go with them, you want to join them in their criminality, you go behind. When they call you on the phone, you pick up your phone. After they talk to you, they add you on their platform. I've told every Biafran, if you are in any platform where you have individuals like Sonia Parawa, if you are in those platforms, you are working against this government. And you will have yourself to blame one way or the other. I promise you that. So these individuals, they do not work for the United States of Biafra government. They are not in the cabinet. They are not in the leadership. None of them is the secretary of any state. None of them have any secretary position in the new system. So if they deceive you or you follow them to be part of their criminality, you will pay that price. They do not represent the government. They do not represent the United States of Biafra. Everything they are doing is fraudulent. They hijacked the things they could hijack, but not anymore. We've checked them. We've checked them seriously, and they are losing by the day. We made Nigerian government to lose. Talk less of riffraffs. Their case is Akamo case. You just put water there, it will become thick. So again, this is just a warning I'm giving those that think they don't know, or they are confused, or they had lies, or they don't know where to go. You have yourself to blame. And those of you that think you can eat your cake and have it, you have one of your leg with the criminals, and you think you will have the other leg with the United States of Biafra. I'm telling you, you will have yourself to blame. It don't work that way. Our God said it. J.E.J. Dioku Mobugi Joyi Dika Jehovah Puru Obugotua Mga Gopogi Nonu Nyabu Chawe Bisi Wur Rapu Kiwe Chearia no Lugi Asini Megotua Agama Gopogi Kangono. If you don't do one thing or the other, J.J. Bwako or Ijuoyi, either you are hot or you are cold. You cannot
Exactly.
be both. That was the first song that I just sang right now.
You have a beautiful voice.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. So it is either or. You cannot serve Obatobie and serve any criminal. You can't do that. That means you never ever followed Obatobie. You never ever followed our leader Nnamdi Kanu. So I'm just letting you know, those of you that think you're smart, our IT department, they are combing every single WhatsApp and Telegram platform for Biafrans. Whether the one opened by Obatobie, whether the one opened by myself, whether the one opened by the criminals, our IT department, they are combing all the telegrams, and all the names are being submitted accordingly. So if you think you are smart, if you think you can have your ways or you can have it both ways, I just pity you, because you're going to do yourself a very big harm by doing that. Any Telegram, any WhatsApp platform where you see these criminal individuals, remove yourself from there. Ask questions, send messages to any of the secretaries, send message to me. Where is the right platform for my state? Where is the right platform for my group? Where is the right platform for my county? And United States of Biafra is structured to the grassroots. you'll be directed to the appropriate platform. That's all I have to say. Thank you so much, everyone.
Wow, 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 wow. Thank you, Her Excellency. Nothing else to be said. You have said it all.
Yes, sir.
And then on that note, I hand it over to the media. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Famdi. Thank you, Biafrans. We are welcome once again. I never knew we have I think the Funani man said is Deborah Nkechi. A beautiful voice and a unique voice. God bless us so much. We have Prime Minister. He can dance, he can sing, he can give you languages that you never expected. And today we have Deputy Prime Minister that can sing. This one they go.
Oh no,
Anyway,
I didn't know my voice was good. Honorable Go, let me tell Biafrans, please. Today, what we are doing here is fundraising. I want everyone here to know we are here for fundraising. Yes, we can talk and then we can update you, but we have like 7 pages of Zoom right here. And I'm trying to scroll from page 1 to 7. We have 7 pages, almost 160 people. Please, I want you to know we are not here just to talk. We are here to raise money. The more money we raise, the more successful we are going to be in defending and protecting our land. So if you are here today, please make sure you chip in something, whether your money is going to go in diaspora, whether your money is going to go in homeland. It is a civic responsibility that you donate. It is very, very important that your name counts, your name goes to the book. Please donate. Thank you so much. We'll go ahead.
thank you, our Deputy Prime Minister. Well, DPM, you said they are not ministers, our secretary to anything. I will tell you that they are. They are minister for criminality, secretaries for stealing, duping, lying, secretaries to amajuris. And we will always do the needful. I am seeing Ezamunobi. If you come here, quickly make your donation so that every 1 minute, everybody, just 60 seconds. Ezamunobi, you have the mic.
Ndị Biafra ekele m anyị nchara ile Chief of Staff ikwuru ọfụma. Good evening, sirs. Good evening, ma. Everybody, ana m ekele. Latụfugo oge. Biafra is our home. Biafra is our religion. Nke mụnwa bụ Ezamunobi bụ the chief admin. Through Mazi Ebenezer, I donate 100,000 eje.
Wow.
Last Saturday, Echefuru mention onye donated 100,000. Ọkụnyere kele nwada Tina Ijere nwanyị. She's one of my admin. Ya bụ onye kpọpụtara ka anyị bidoro eme donation. So tomorrow he enweta the 100,000 eje. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Biafra is our home and our religion, led by Ezamunobi Ndewo. Okay, I see Mazi Jido from the Netherlands. Ndenato Kuroko. You're welcome.
Yeah, good evening.
Our military need to talk Talo Kuroko.
Yeah, that's true. Good evening, dear friends. This is Netherlands Rep. Good evening, my Deputy Prime Minister. Good evening, my leader, Mazen Nandekano Onyendu. Good evening, my Prime Minister, Simon Eba. Good evening, all the cabinet members. I salute everyone. I am here, let's do it quick, to present the amount of money Netherlands has managed to contribute this week. And I will start by calling their names. Maazi Victor gave us 20 ejema. Mazi Boniface. Mazi Boniface Okoro gave us 55 ejema. Mazi Tarango, 25 ejema. And me, myself, Honorable Jidofo Machie, gave you 100 ejema.
Wow.
Honorable Dr. Steve gave 100 ejema, totaling 300 ejema for this week.
Wow.
Thank you, Biafrans.
Thank you.
We are moving ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Netherlands. Thank you.
Ndewo.
Thank you, Netherlands.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you, Netherlands. Thank you so much. Okay, Sunrich, you meet yourself. Yeah, we can hear you, Sunrich.
All right. Good evening, everyone from Liberia. I hope I'm coming out louder.
Yes.
Very well.
All right. Without wasting our much time, I want to tip one thing. My honorable CPOS, we are one of the people that are
Connection is bad.
for you not to go for the Dr. Damages program, because we have had it badly in the past. All the people that our leaders that we have interviewed, so we didn't find it very nice. So we are one of those people that are campaigning for you not to answer that invitation. So let's move for the fundraising by calling the names of those that donated. So here in Monrovia, Liberia, we have Samuel $100, Ejema $, Chimawala $100, Ejema, Owe Sunrich $50, Ejema, Osta Demon Nobo $20, Ejema, Onyema Wonye $20, Ejema, Aleke J, Aleke $10, Ejema, Arawuso Ketiku $10, Ejema. Now we have another county in Liberia called Maryland. The people in Maryland, Christian Ezala $30, Ejema, Chide Raju $30, Ejema, Hillary MSim $40, Ejema, Ejike Chinwuba $10, Ejema, Rosemary MSim $10, Ejema, Desmond Chinwendo $10, Ejema, Ifeanyi Chukwulobi $5, Ejema, Chidike Ibe $5, Ejema, Chuks Ibe $5, Ejema, Samuel Udeze $5, Ejema, Edwin Oka Ebu $5, Ejema, Ikechukwu Innocent $5, Ejema. In all, we have $470 Ejema. So this is from Liberia.
Wow. Wow.
Liberia.
Thank you, Liberia. Wow, that's awesome. Thank you very much, Liberia.
Send it right away to our African rep by next week.
What's the name of your African rep? Which one?
The new African rep.
Awesome.
Yeah, the new African rep.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay, Fandish, he says they're going to send it to him or what? You have that information?
Okay. Let him call the African rep. Festus Ikechukwu. He will give him the direction.
Wadaloli neno from Igbo Media, boy by Siwene Utenu Nyabuzi, Dio Kempa, Bastabak Yemen and Nigeria, and the enemy teacher na Eastern region, and Uno Kosia Dana Finland, and the Biafran Prime Minister, Casey Judea, the update and the Yabu Biafran declaration came in Finland, so Yelina Kaya, I know Telu Nira Huko. Kifi waliku basta makayabo iye chief of staff kukasinirwa kuko yaneboro tagasiaka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra. So yabi ifeka isikai tiedo no kono kwa ifunche no